So as I told you, yesterday actually we have to solve the questions related to power, work on energy. So now let us see that today we'll finish it. In today offline class, we'll revise, and I think physics already we revised. Am I right, everybody? So let us see that
Yes, sir.
how it is there. Physics as well as chemistry, everything we'll discuss today and we'll finish it today afternoon. So now coming to here, write the question, everybody. First question. A man pulls a lawn roller. Question number one. A man pulls a lawn roller with a force of 20 kgWt. Can you tell me what is that? I already taught you people. Anybody? What do you mean by kgWt? A force of, yes, please. Kilogram force, kgf. Very good. So kgf is the unit of force, weight. Is it right, Sanjay? So others don't know, nobody. That's all. So force of 20 kilogram weight. So it is a unit of weight of force. So kilogram weight. Don't know means what I should do. That's what. Now, he applies the force at an angle of, he applies. You are not learning the things to forget. At least you have to remember what is required for your next. At an angle, at an angle 60 degrees with the ground. 60 degrees with the ground. Calculate work done in pulling the roller through 10 meters. If he takes 1 minute 1 minute in doing, 1 minute means how many seconds, everybody?
60 seconds.
60 seconds. Then calculate the power developed. For everybody, I am giving 1 minute time. If you have been done it, you can do it. So the book which we have shared, physics book, how many of you have at least touched? Have you all touched at least, everybody? Have you all trying?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
Yeah. So according to that book, we all knows that whenever you read a question, you need to make something. Anybody? According to that question, you cannot solve the question simply. We have to do something. Anybody can? Please. Dodo. Yes, Sanjay. Others don't know. But really, people. Prudhi, very good, Prudhi. FBDs. What is that? FBD you have to draw. So according to the question, draw FBD, everybody. According to the question, what is the FBD? So man is pulling a what? Pulling. So lawn roller. How many of you know what do you mean by lawn roller? First, at least that tell me. What do you mean by lawn roller? We all remember that ground, for making a ground even, we are having one big stone. Do you remember, everybody?
Sir, to level the
Yes, yes.
agricultural
To
farm
level the
after
ground, we will use this. Am I right? Please respond. That is what. So there is a person who is pulling it. So with angle of how much? With respect to the ground, he is applying the what angle, guys? Force. Please respond. It is mentioned
60 degree.
60 degrees. With respect to the ground, he is applying the force of 60 degrees. For leveling the ground, cricket ground and all, we will use the stone. தெரியுமா தெரியாதா லார் லோரல்?
Yes, sir.
That is only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's what. So you can draw even a better view. So like that, this is better. Okay. So he is applying a force with a 60 degrees angle. Now they are asking, what is the work done in pulling the roller through 10 meters? If it takes 1 minute in doing, then calculate the power developed. So this is the things they are asking. So we all knows that force is equals to, what is the formula, everybody? Force is equals to, what is the formula, guys? Mass into, please open
Mass
your,
into gravity.
yeah, m into g. So now you can see here, a man pulling a roller with a 20 kilogram weight. So 20 kilogram weight means how much force he is applying. He's already giving a force of 20 kilogram weight. So anybody, kilogram weight is a what? Kilogram weight is a what, guys?
Is the force applied on that weight?
Yes. So a man pulls a roller with a force of 20 kilogram weight. So already they are giving the force or they are giving the mass. Anybody?
Force.
Force. See, kilogram weight is actually a force. That is what you should remember. So please note that kilogram weight to the newtons. Anybody can tell me? We all knows that. Anyone? 1 kilogram is equals to 1 kgf. We all people knows 1 kilogram is equals to how many newtons? 1 kilogram is equals to how many newtons, guys?
When you
20 newtons, 10 newtons. So now they have given 20 kilogram weight. So 20 kilogram weight means 20 into 10, which is equals to how many, guys?
200 Newton.
newtons. Please make sure. Clear, everybody? 1 kgf is equals to, yes, Sanjay, very good. 1 kgf or 1 kg, please everybody make it 1 kgf is equals to 9.8 newtons, or which is equals to 10 newtons. Whatever you take, approximately, you have to remember it. I hope you all understand. Everybody, please respond, guys. Kilogram,
Yes.
kgwt, kilogram weight or kgf. So please remember that. Okay. Kilogram weight or kilogram force is the mass denoted by simply in kilogram. So it is equals to 9.8 newtons. That's what. So I got the force now. So we have to convert into newtons. Next, what else? Everybody. So work done formula. What is the work done formula, everyone?
a
Done
F
formula.
into
Yes, theta. They are applying the force of force
3 degrees plus for
with
half
the
1 by
ground
2.
with a ground 60 degrees. So we all knows that cos 60 is equals to value, please.
1 by
1
2.
by 2.
Cos 60 value. Cos 60
1
value
by 2, sir.
is 1 by 2.
By
So now work done is equals to Fs cos theta.
Cost
So F is 200 newtons. Distance given. What is the distance?
10 meters.
10 meters. So 10 into cos theta is cos 60. So cos 60 means how much, guys?
1
Cos 60 means how much? 1 by 2. So 2 ones are,
by
2 5s are, 2 5s are 10, which is equals to how much work done? 1000 joules. 1000, you can take 1000 Newton meter. So we all knows that 1 Newton meter is equals to how much? 1 Newton meter is equals to 1 joule. So which is equals to, what is the work done, everybody? 1000 joules. Clear, all of you? So that is what is the work done. Or if you take 9.8, if you take 9.8, here how much it will come? 980 joules. Is it okay, guys? Please respond.
See,
Yes. So now power. What is the power formula? Everybody, you know work done and you know the time. Power is equals to what? Please respond.
after the time
Work
taken.
done by time taken. So work done is equals to 1000 joules. Time is equals to 1 minute. So 1 minute means how many seconds? Everybody. Yes, please. 1 minute means how many seconds, guys? 60 seconds. So we all know, so 1 joule per second is equals to how many watt? 1 joule per second is equals to how many watt? 1 watt. Adi theriyadu. So next two table, 2 threes are 2 50s are. So we all knows that 50 by 3 watt. 50 by 3 is a very popular number for us. Am I right? 50 by 3 is a very popular number. Am I right, guys? And we got that value also. How much it is? 50 by 3. 16 point. 16 point. Already motion chapter and all many places will get it. 50 by 3. 16.66 watt. So that is the power developed by a person. So anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Making FBD is compulsory. According to that book, have you noticed that how they are solving the question? Am I right, guys? Please respond. So that's what it is. So FBD is you have to draw it. So nothing else is there. There is a lawn roller. So lawn roller, a person is pulling, okay, with the angle 60 degrees to the ground. So that's all. So you have to finish. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. How neatly I am solving the same way. I'm expecting everybody to solve. Any doubt, please. Otherwise, solve. Clear, everybody? All of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So,
Gokul, solving Gokul. Hasini, don't think that I'm not calling means you can do whatever you want. You show your sincerity, you will progress. Otherwise, for me, nothing will happen. That's what you should remember. Hasini, I called you. Are you working? Alfin also. Completed, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
yes.
Niroshi and Mr. Mukesh. Mukesh, I'm expecting from you to at least say formula every time because me, I want to make you that what that activeness. Formula you have to be at least. Hasani called to Princey, why she is not wake up? Somebody called to the Danshika also. Somebody called to Sailesh. Okay. Shall we proceed now, everybody? Darshana, are you there, Darshana? Solving
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, right. Mr. Jayan, are you there? Right. Next question. An electric motor of power rating. So this everybody has to think. So let me see how many of you will work. I will see that. So an electric motor of power rating. Alfin, are you there? Solving 300
Yes,
watt
sir.
is used. You said me you're not doing anything because of preparation, study purpose. I am really happy for that, but I want to see that same progress also. So let me see how much you'll solve. So drive the, right, an electric motor of power rating 300 watt is used to drive the uh, stirrer in a water bath. Stirrer in a water bath. Water bath. If 50% of its energy of
Sir,
its
it's a
energy.
water bottle.
Water
Sir?
bath, water bath. Suppose you take a tub of water, a bucket, or a lamp. Generally, water bath means water will heat, indirect heating. That's all. Nothing else is there.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. If it is oil bath, we'll put instead of water, we'll heat oil. That's all. Okay. Understand, Mari?
Yes.
Yeah. Nothing else is there. So 50% of its energy. So stirrer. So stirrer means we all knows that, correct. You all know painting and all, they will use a stirrer for mixing painting and all. Everybody? Yes,
Yes, sir.
that's all. Nothing else is that. Stirrer. 50% of energy supplied to the motor is spent in stirring the water. In stirring the water. Calculate the work done. Calculate the work done. Calculate the work done. My every question need to like what I can say is it needs to initiate the thinking capacity of you. That's what is the purpose. Why I am working and why you are working. Why your parents believes also the same. So calculate the work done on the water in 25 minutes. Every question you have to consider, you have to get the given data properly, you have to apply the proper formula, make it. So like that many things matters. So that is what you should understand it. Okay. So please read the question and make it and everything you can proceed. Okay, clear, everybody? So try to do it now. What is your answer? I want to make. Shivani, yeah, please at least tell me what is that. Try to answer, everybody. Don't be normal. Try to write given data, what is given, everyone. No wrong answer, Darshan. If you are answering the things, at least things will change. First, you read the question, everybody. Princey, you cannot sleep like this. Somebody no need to call you already. That's remember. Make it, everyone. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me? So question is what? Zayan, can you read the question? Yes, please. Zayan, I'm calling you. Pranav, read the question, Pranav. I not even hear your voice many days over. Nobody is there.
An electric motor of
Sorry.
power putting
So we are
300
saying
watt.
that an electric motor of power 300 is actually putting. So power of a motor P, how much it is, everybody?
300 watt.
Power of a
300.
300 watt. Next, power supplied to the motor. See that it is used to drive the stirrer in a water bath. If 50% of its energy is only supplied, means only how much power we are supplying, everybody? Actually, it is power
Half the
rating
power.
is 300 watt, but we are supplying power is how much?
50%.
Supplying power, only 50%. So power supplied to motor is only how much, guys? 50%. Okay.
Okay.
And time taken. Zion, if I say you have to, time taken is equals to how many minutes, everybody? 25 minutes. 25 minutes means
Minutes.
5 into 1 minute equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds, which is equals to, everybody? 60 seconds, which is equals to 1500 seconds. Getting information from given data is always matters. Prithvi, wrong answer. Again, verify. Try. Everybody try. That's what is needed. Now, 50% of power supply is used. So what do you mean by 50? Power used on booster by the pump is only 50% of the power. So 50% of 300, how much it is?
150.
50% of 300 watt, which is equals to 50 by 100 into 300. So which is equals to how much, guys? Everybody, 100 ones are, 100 threes are. So 50 into 3, which is equals to how much? Please respond.
150.
150 watt. That's all. So now we all knows that power is equals to, what is the formula? Work done by time. Now they are asking work done only. Is it right or wrong? So work done is equals to, what is the formula? Power into, work done is equals to power into time. Am I right, guys? So power is equals to 150 watt. Time is equals to how
Into
much?
1500 seconds.
1500 seconds. So now we all knows that 15 15s are how much? 225. How to do? Sir,
Right.
I'll spend 1 acre land and 1 hour time and I will do. Adi kadayadu. You can directly 15 50s are 225. 3 zeros. Over. Watt second. What do you mean by watt second? Watt is equals to joule per second. And now joule is equals to what? Joule is equals
Watt per second.
watt per second illa Sam. Watt per second illa watt into second. Be very careful.
Watt into
Joule per second is watt, but not watt per second is joule. Do you understand, Sam? Be very careful.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 22,000. Sorry, 20. Yeah, 10 power 3 you can write it. So which is equals to joule. That's all. Solve it. 2,25,000. So 2,25,000 in the form of powers. Anybody? 225 into 3 zeros means how I can write powers? 10 power 3. Is it right? So that is what?
So, but actually, you said
Yes,
that there should be one.
Yes, 2.25 into 10 power 5 joules. Is it okay, Mari?
Yes, sir.
That's Zion, I called you, but no response. What does it mean? You are sleeping. Continue. Mr. Sailesh, 1,000 times I told you how to join, and this is not the time to join. 5:33 time now. Like this means you cannot pass and you cannot promote it to 10th, Sailesh. I'm saying you correct. Only your sincerity matters first. If you're ready to pass, only you'll pass. If you be like this, like 8th class, you are not in 8th or 9th. You are going to be 10th. If you want to be pass and promote to 10th, 100% you have to work. I already told you. Otherwise, nobody can save you. Your choice. You decide. I don't have any problem. I don't want to scold people also. Because no dedication, what I should do? Unnecessary things and all, you people are very sincere. But coming to here, I don't know what senseless things you people are doing. Workout, completed fastly, everybody. Completed. Next. Calculate the kinetic energy of a body. Or sorry, is that's question. That question you leave it. It's a simple question. Next question, right? When the mass and velocity of the body are doubled, when mass and velocity of the body is doubled, when mass and velocity of the body is doubled, when mass and velocity of the body are doubled, what happens? Kishore, are you there, Mr. Kishore? Lingesh, what happens to its kinetic energy? Nivedan, Pranav, Kishore, I don't know what people are doing also. Okay, so solve it now. That's all it is now. So mass and as well as velocity of the body are doubled, they are saying. So now what will happen? Initial case, let mass M will be mass is equals to M and
2 times
velocity
of
will be, yes, velocity is equals to V. Initial case, Mari, initial case you have to do it. Then what is
yes,
the
sir.
kinetic energy?
Yes.
Initial case Ke1 is equals to half mv square. Is it right, everybody? That is the case number 1. Now case number 2, mass become what? Double. Velocity also become double. So now m become 2m. V become what? Everybody, 2v. So now change in kinetic energy is equals to, what is that everybody? Half into mass become 2m into velocity become 2v whole square. So which is equals to, don't get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. 2
No,
will
sir.
cancel. No. So be very careful with that. So 2 into 2 into m into 2 square means 4. 4 into v square. So 4 2s are 8. So 8 times of 1 by 2 mv square. 1 by 2 mv square is equals to something.
Kinetic energy.
Initial kinetic energy. So final kinetic energy equals to 8 times of how much? 8 times of initial kinetic energy.
Initial kinetic energy.
Very good. Do it. Because we all know kinetic energies depends on two things. What is that?
Mass and velocity.
It depends on mass and it is depends on velocity. Make it quick, everybody. When I call, you must respond at any cost. I know many of you are having desktop, many of your phone is working properly, and I don't know why people are not working, not responding it is. Okay, finish it fast. Anything doubt, you can ask me. Make it quick. No. Completed? Mr. Pranav? Jolly. Okay. So
Sir,
do
you said that you inform about that website.
Mari?
Sir, you said that you will inform about that website today.
Yes, Mari, I will inform you. Actually, it is like under working actually. So just I want
Yes.
to make it like next year, okay, let this meeting is complete, we'll explain. Okay. So actually there is a purpose. It's not working like based upon that. But this year itself I want to start, but it's become delayed. Actually, domain and all purchasing and all is it's become late. And almost this year over. But anyhow, from your time, we have to implement it. Now I'll explain it. Okay. We'll do it. Yeah, finish it first. Well, access the website.
Yes, sir, we have entered, sir.
Yeah, I will say you know how to do it. How it will function, I'll explain you. So, okay. So right now, next question. Next question, see that the JE question, what they ask, similar question it is. So the two bodies of masses, M1 and M2 are moving with the equal kinetic energies. Two bodies of masses M1 and M2. M1 and M2 are moving with the equal kinetic energies. Equal kinetic energies. Again, working Kavya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the ratio of their momentum? So that is the question. So here, anybody, I'm giving 1 minute time. Can you tell me what is the formula we have to use it? They are giving kinetic energy, but they are asking momentum. Already the JE paper, we have used the formula. Anybody?
P square by 2m.
Yes, very
So
good.
we can also use the formula here. M1 U1 plus the M1 U2 is equals to M1 V2.
That is
That
conservation
form.
of momentum, Are. But here
Yes,
the
sir.
rest of the
Two
moment.
objects, sir.
Yes, yes, two objects. Two objects they are giving, they are moving, they are not saying it is a collision, correct? Do you understand? Collision only correct. We have to go with the conservation of momentum. Are you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Or else
Yes, sir.
one object is jumped over another object, or the both are colliding each other, or even the same direction they make a collision or opposite direction, then we have to go with the law of conservation of momentum. But here they never mentioned anything about the law of conservation of momentum. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's what I say. We have to be very careful with this. Now, first, let me take case one and case two. What is that? So two bodies are there. So let mass of the first body. What is the mass of the first body? Everybody. So this is the case one and this is the case two. So mass of the first body is how much? M1. Mass of the second body is M2.
M2.
Momentum of the first body, P1. What is the symbol of momentum? Momentum
P1.
symbol, P1.
P.
P. Momentum symbol, P2. Man, this is not the pressure. This is not the power. What is this, everybody?
Momentum.
Momentum. So please remember that. Momentum means force and loss of motion we studied. Momentum means what? Mass into velocity. And what is the unit? Kilogram meter per second. Is it right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Second chapter we studied. Now they are asking ratio. So ratio means what is that? P1 by P2. Is it right or? Everybody? Yes or no? That's all. So we all knows that. They are saying that same kinetic energy. So means I will take it
So
again.
same velocities.
Yes, K2. So they are not
Same
talking about
velocity.
velocity. Mari, see that. When mass is different, I will say you for example. Same velocity, how it will be? Suppose I'm having a 5 kg. I am traveling with the 5 meter per second. So that my what is my kinetic energy? 5 into 5 square 25. Another body with the mass is different, but velocity is some other different, but still it can maintain the same kinetic energy. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? So kinetic energy same means doesn't mean that velocity same. Why? Mass is not equal. Am I right, guys? You
Yes, sir.
understand? Everybody, please respond,
sir.
guys. That is very important. So kinetic energy is they are saying that kinetic energy is same. So Ke1 is equals to Ke2, but their masses are not equal. Masses are not equal means 100% velocity is also what?
Not equal.
Not equal. Do you understand? But the product of mass into velocity, mass, that is what? Half mv square. If you have been done, we'll get remains what? Half m1 v1 square is equals to half m2 v2 square. Purima, do you
Yes,
understand
sir.
everybody? Please respond, guys. Yes, that's all.
Yes,
So we
sir.
all knows that kinetic energy equals to, as Nivedan said, what is the formula, Nivedan?
P
Momentum.
square by
Yes, very good. Somebody already answered. Lingesh, very super Lingesh. So momentum is equals to P square by, respond guys, 2m. Yes, so from that, P is equals to root over K into 2m. Is it okay, wa? Will you all agree with me, guys? That's all. So this is m1. Okay, for our general formula it is. So P is equals to root over K into 2m. Now for two bodies, P1 and this is P2. So P2 is equals to Ke. Ke is kinetic energy same. Is it right or wrong, guys? Kinetic energy same or not? That's all. So they are asking P1 by P2. So P1 by P2 is equals to root over K2m1 divided by root over K2m2. So what else is there? Kinetic energy cancel, root 2 get cancelled, so everything is gone. So only one is there, that is root m1 divided by m2. So I can say ratios. What is the momentum ratios? Everybody. P1 is to P2 is equals to root m1 is to root m2. Super. I hope you all understand. Everybody, anything doubt you can ask. Very good. Solving, the more you solve, more you feel better. That's what I feel always. So please solve it and make it. Anything doubt, you can ask. Completed? Everybody solve this question. Only 1 minute more. Make it fast, all of you.